So here's how we get the light mechanism inside the lamp here. Obviously this is the clock part and this is the light part at the top. This has a acrylic circle here that will just fit inside the neck here so that it sits tightly. This we pre-orient down like that. Then we use a grabber tool like this to feed in from the bottom, grab the wires and pull them all the way down through the lamp and to the outside. So these wires are now fed through. Now I take a string here with a little metal hoop on it, hook it onto the bolt here. We lower this down so that the copper, or the brass tube here, engages with the hole in the bottom center of the lamp. And on the way down, pull that up and eventually it'll hit the wall and self-align to the wall because there is compliant foam, rubber right there that will push it firmly up against the wall of the lamp. And then this part here will self-center right there in the middle of the neck of the lamp. Hopefully this will all work out just fine. Once the brass rod has come all the way down and protrudes slightly in the middle of the lamp here, there are holes in the brass tube that allows me to put a cotter pin in here to pin it so that it can't pull back out through the top of the lamp. So this will secure the whole thing inside the lamp.